learning Chinese language, learning a word every day. Today, we are learning about yìng. First, let's watch an animation about the word yìng.
这位老爷爷的健身方式太硬核了。
硬核？是很硬的核桃吗？
不是核桃，是硬核，意思是特别厉害、很强悍、很有力量。
A few minutes later.
这部科幻电影特效很硬核，看起来特别真实。电影也能硬核，不是只有人可以硬核吗？硬核可以形容很多东西，比如技术、操作、作品都可以。
Later.
他只用3天就学会了中文歌，太硬核了。我明白了，硬核就是厉害、强悍不一般。没错，我也要学一点硬核的中文。
Today, we will learn the usage of the word yìng in Chinese. Before learning the usage, let's read it 3 times together. 硬核,硬核,硬核. The Chinese word 硬核 comes from English hardcore. It describes something or someone that is tough, powerful, awesome, high quality, and impressive. First scenario, 硬核. Let's read it 3 times together. 很硬核,很硬核,很硬核. It means very awesome, very tough, or very impressive. Second scenario, 硬核操作. Let's read it 3 times together. 硬核操作,硬核操作,硬核操作. It means an amazing and powerful move or action. Third scenario, 硬核技术. Read with me 3 times. 硬核技术,硬核技术,硬核技术. It means advanced and powerful technology. Scenario 4, 硬核玩家. Let's read it 3 times together. 硬核玩家,硬核玩家,硬核玩家. It means a very professional and skilled gamer. Scenario 5, 硬核人生. Read it 3 times with me. 硬核人生,硬核人生,硬核人生. It means a strong and amazing life attitude. The opposite of 硬核 is 一般, which means ordinary or not special. In daily life, 硬核 is a popular internet word used to praise people, things, skills, and works. Okay, that's all about the usage of the Chinese word 硬核. Here's a suggestion for you. When learning Chinese, you can try to give yourself an authentic Chinese name. In this way, when interacting with Chinese people in the future, they will be more likely to remember you and leave a better impression on them. If you want to choose a Chinese name, you can watch my other videos or visit directly www.chinesename.me. Choose a genuine and meaningful Chinese name for yourself. All right, that's all for today's study. Goodbye.